Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design simple part in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. Open SolidWorks, and here we use millimeter unit. So we start draw from front view. So right click on front plane and click sketch. First, draw line. Select line. Draw from this center to this, and click A on your keyboard. This, click A again on your keyboard, click A again on your keyboard, and click A again on your keyboard. Now select this. Ensure for this point click make tangent, this point click make tangent, this point click make tangent, this make tangent, here in make tangent, and this point click make tangent. Now we can to set for dimension. This center to this point have distance in 82 millimeter. Input here 82 millimeter, and this line to this line have thickness in 12 millimeter. So input here in 12 millimeter. So we can see in here. We can see from this center to this line have distance in 8 millimeter. So this point to this line in 8 millimeter, like this. Now we can adjust for line like this, and here we can set for radius in, you can see the tail B in here in 6 millimeter, in 6, here in 6 millimeter, and here in radius in 32 millimeter, like this. And don't forget this line to this line have angle in 140 degree, like this, like this. And we can set for distance here to here in 70. Click shift on your keyboard, click this line and this line, set in 70 millimeter, like this. And this line to this line set angle in 22 degree, 22 degree, like this. It's so simple. And don't forget to set for this center to this line in 132 millimeter. This center, click and click shift on your keyboard, click this in 132 millimeter for distance, like this. Okay, it's so simple. And don't forget in here have hole diameter in 12 from this center here, diameter in 12 millimeter, and here have radius in 20, input in 20 millimeter, like this. Okay, it's so simple. And here we can see we can have distance in 10 10 10. We just click offset entities in here, select this line and click OK, and we can erase with trim entities for this line, this line, this line, this line, this line. Okay, like this. We can see for distance here in 10, here in 10 millimeter, and here in 10 millimeter. Okay, like this. And don't forget to make a line here. Draw line from here to here, and ensure make center line from this midpoint to this midpoint in here, and this line to this center line. Click make coincident. Ensure this center line, click control and click this line, just click make perpendicular, like this. Okay, then we can see if we can drag like this line, make perpendicular, and here this to this automatically in 11 degree, and here in 11 degree. Then we can set for distance this center to this line in 12 millimeter. Input here in 12 millimeter. Okay, so simple. Then we can do trim entities for this line, this line, this line, and this line. We just need sketch like this. Okay. Then in here we can do draw line again to make line like this. So draw line here. So this, and click A on your keyboard. This to this. Now we can do drag like this for line. Set for radius in here in 18 millimeter. Input here 18 millimeter. And we can do mirror and offset entities for this line in 12 millimeter here. Sorry. Before we can mirror, we can to make a line in here. This to this. And here we can to mirror entities for this line in 12 millimeter and direction again offset. Checklist in reverse and click OK. Like this. Now in here we can draw circle. This circle, click Control and click this line, just select or click make tangent, and this to this, click make coincident like this. Now we can to set for distance. This line or bottom edge, click Shift on your keyboard, click the circle in here. Let's say 102 millimeter. And here F diameter in radius in 15, so diameter in 30 like this. And draw circle again in here, diameter in 13 millimeter like this. Now we can do trim entities for this line. Okay, and this line. Click OK. So we can set for distance here. This center to this line in here have distance in 212. So set for dimension. This center, click Shift on your keyboard, click this in 212 millimeter like this. It's so simple like this. So ensure you input all dimension like this. We can check for all dimension in here in 6 and here in 30. So for radius here in 12 and 20 and 12. Okay, after we make sketch like this, just select feature and click extrude boss or base. For selected contour, just like this sketch, and direction ensure select in mid plane for symmetry part. Thickness here in 60 millimeter. Input here in 60 millimeter. Then just click OK like this, and click again on here sketch 1 and click extrude boss or base again. For selected contour, now you must select here this like cylinder, have thickness or length in 136. Input here in 136 millimeter. Just click OK and done like this. Now we can to cut in here in 32 millimeter for width. So right click on front plane again and click sketch. Now we can click sketch 1 and click convert entities like this. And here we can select here and extend trim. Select this and this. After we make extend for here, we can to trim entities for this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, and erase all line here, and erase this line, this line, this line, and this line. We need sketch like this, and just select feature again and click extrude cut. Now there's an in mid plane, but for width in 32. So I input in here in 32 millimeter. Selected contour, select this sketch and just click OK. And done. It's so simple like this. Now we can to make a second in the center here. Right click on top plane and click sketch. Draw center point strike slot in here. Center point strike slot. Draw from the center. This. Set for width. Click shift on your keyboard. This to this. In 72 millimeter. And for width, input and 50 millimeter. Then we can to click offset entities for this sketch or this line in offset in 16 millimeter. Here in 16 millimeter, just click OK. Now select feature and click extrude boss or base. Direction in blind and thickness in 12 millimeter. Selected contour, just select this sketch, this sketch here. Okay, and just click OK. Now we can click again or sketch 3 and click extrude cut. For selected contour, we can delete. We just like center slot in here. Just select here and direction through all. Reverse direction to top and click OK. And done. It's so simple. Don't forget in bottom here have slot thickness in 5 millimeter, offset 8 millimeter for center slot. Right click on this face and click sketch. Now we can to convert entities. This edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Click OK and click offset entities for this line in 8 millimeter. Click OK and select feature and click extrude boss or base. Selected contour, just select this sketch and direction in blind, direction to bottom in here to down like this. Thickness in 5 millimeter. Input here in 5 millimeter. Click OK and done. It's so simple like this. And last we can to cut here. Have a cut angle in section AA in here in 120. So right click on front plane again and click sketch. Now we can to convert entities for this edge and this edge. Click OK and draw line from here to here like this, and draw line from this midpoint to this center to this. We can set for angle this line to this line in 120 degree like this. Then we can see in here have distance in 5 millimeter from this line. So just select offset and it is again this line reverse direction but parameter in 5 millimeter. Click OK and we can do trim entities for this line, okay, and this line. Offset this, erase this, and this, and this. Okay. Click OK, and we can to make right click on this line, click construction geometry, and this line click construction geometry because we just extrude in here. Okay. Don't forget here we can trim entities. Just click OK. Like this. Click feature and click extrude cut for direction change in mid plane in here. Selected contour, just click this sketch here, and for length in here in 100. So input here 100 millimeter mid plane and click OK and done. It's so simple. After that we can to change for a color, select all feature, color in here in blue, this color, click OK and done. Okay, thank you for watching Leon video how to design simple part like this in SolidWorks. It's perfect for exercise beginner to intermediate. Thank you for watching Leon video and see you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.